6 ways to make your baby smarter before birth. 1. Stay active. Exercising and staying active is important for your body's health, but studies show that it can also improve brain function. And it doesn't take squats and burpees. A relaxing 30-minute walk a few times a week will do the trick. 2. Eat eggs and fish. Egg yolks are full of choline, a recommended vitamin for pregnant women, which has been shown to improve learning and memory in babies when taken during pregnancy. Some studies have even shown that choline changes the structure of brain cells, making them more supportive for cognitive development. Some studies have linked DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid, with better brain development. You can find DHA in many prenatal supplements, but you can also get it by including fish like salmon and sardines, fish that contain less mercury, in your diet. 3. Add a prenatal supplement. Incorporating some vitamin-rich foods into your diet. Make sure you add a prenatal supplement with folate, aka B vitamin. Folic acid. Folic acid helps form healthy brain cells, and getting the right amount of folate has also been shown to lower the chances of your baby being diagnosed with autism. 4. Eliminate alcohol and nicotine. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, the safest bet is to eliminate alcohol and nicotine entirely during pregnancy. Many studies have shown that women who smoke or are exposed to secondhand smoke during pregnancy have a higher risk for giving birth prematurely, along with a handful of other negative side effects like learning problems and decreased fetal breathing, so it's best to stay away from smoking for your baby's health, as well as your own. 5. Talk and read to your baby. Listening to classical music during pregnancy might not make much of a difference, but talking to your baby can. Language learning begins in utero, and studies have shown that parents who talk and/or read to their baby throughout pregnancy promotes early word recognition after they're born. 6. Get more sleep. Insomnia affects nearly 80% of pregnant women. You can't sleep in the same positions you did pre-baby bump, your back hurts, you have to wake up to pee throughout the night, but staying well rested is incredibly important. Not only will sleep help boost your mood and fuel your immune system, but it also increases your chances for a healthy birth. With the right amount of sleep, your baby's brain will have the time to properly grow in the womb, and there's less risk for post-birth developmental issues. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.